Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Quran and science. We will show them our signs in the horizon and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth, but it is not sufficient concerning your Lord that He is over all things a witness. Dear students, we'll talk about the making a magnet. Making a magnet. How we are going to make a magnet? Magnetic material can be magnetized to become magnets. Two methods of magnetizing are described below: magnetizing by the stroke method and magnetizing by the electrical method. Magnetizing by the stroke method. Stroke the complete length of a steel bar with one pole of a strong bar magnet starting from one end of the bar. Do this about 20 times in the same direction. The bar magnet must be moved far away from the steel bar after each stroke. Magnetizing by the stroke method. You can see that we have a steel bar and we are having a magnet and we are going to make it rotate for 20 times. Now we'll talk about the magnetizing by the electrical method. A steel bar can be magnetized by placing it inside a coil of a copper wire and passing an electric current through the coil, using a battery and switch. The steel bar retains its magnetism even after being removed from the coil. Here you can see that we have put a magnet bar into a coil which is having a copper coil. This is called as magnetizing by the electrical method. As we are going to allow the current to pass through the switch, as we have connected the source as a battery, so the bar magnet or the bar of iron will convert it into iron. Magnetizing an iron nail. An iron nail can be magnetized temporarily by wrapping a coil of wire around it and running an electrical current through the coil. This creates an electromagnet that loses its magnetism when the current stops flowing. In this picture, you can see that we are showing you the magnetizing an iron nail. How we are going to wrap the copper wire with the iron nail, and we have connected the wire with the batteries as we allow to pass a current, so the iron nail will be converted into magnet temporarily. In this picture, you can see the magnetic field. Magnets have a magnetic field around them where they exert a force, the magnetic field, in the region where the magnetic force is exerted. Magnetic field lines. Iron filings from the lines that depict the magnetic field lines of the bar magnet. Magnetic fields are three-dimensional and can be traced in space around the magnet, not just on the horizontal plane where the magnet rests. In this diagram, you can see the magnetic lines of forces is shown. Plotting magnetic field lines using plotting compasses. Magnetic field lines patterns when unlike poles are brought near each other. Again, you can see that the magnetic field lines pattern when like poles of the magnets are brought near each other. Electric currents creates magnetic field in wires. In 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted, a Danish physicist professor, discovered the magnetic efforts of an electric current. He observed that an electric current flowing through a wire placed above a compass caused a deflection in the compass. You can see this. We have placed devices over here which is containing battery, compass, wooden wire clamp, and we are connected with the positive and negative terminal which is having a copper wire. Uses of magnet. Identify items that utilize magnets in your surrounding. Yes, I know that you know very well the fridge magnet and the fridge door. They are containing a magnet which is going to put the two bars and together. Uses of magnet. The door stopper magnetic train. Needle of compass is made by magnet. Electromagnetic. Electromagnets used in loudspeaker and electric doorbell. You can see that the coil is there and they are attached with the magnet and they are producing a loudspeaker and they are going to raise the voice. Once again, we have electric bell. You can see that a wire is coiled with a bar and they are attracted by the magnet and the electric bell works. Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.